Hi everyone, oh my god, I'm pawis guys. I just finished my gym, so I'm going home guys. The gym here guys so close to me, so I'm just walking. Pawis na pawis si Lola guys. Just carry the bag. No, my water guys is empty. Oh my god, I'm so pawis. I am a vlogger. Yes, I am a vlogger. Hindi pa lang famous. But coming there soon. Coming to be famous guys. Okay. Almost home. Nandito ako sa guard na area. Guard namin guys. Okay. Mag-video ako guys. I-video ko yung sa atis. Yan, tatlo siya. Yan, tatlong bunga. Tatlong bunga guys. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Cute yung number 3 guys. Yung number 3 cute. So pawis guys. So pawis sa Lola for today. Oh my god. I'm enjoying to the gym. A lot of boogie guys. Okay guys, I'm home. So thank you for watching. Bye.